Here I have ARCHOS Access 101, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off by holding power key, then tap power off. Let's wait till it turns off completely, and after that hold down combination power key and volume up for about 3 seconds. And you will enter boot mode. Use volume up key to navigate through the boot mode and volume down key to select options. Here you have these options like recovery mode, fast boot mode and normal boot. If you want to exit boot mode, you just select normal boot to restart your device. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.